Sharice. Today I'm going to be showing you guys quick, simple ways to style your hair in between lock maintenance. I get my hair done at least every 8 weeks, sometimes longer than 8 weeks. Just depends on how I'm feeling. It's winter time right now, so I can kind of do that. I'm not really sweating a lot. And so this is the time when you can't see your parts, when your hair is really bushy, when you just over your new growth. But I'm going to show you how to make it work. So I'm going to start by showing you guys some of the products I use. And, what's that? Whatever. But this is Curls-Crème Brule. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to link everything I use in the description box. I get this from Target. I'm not sure if Walmart carries it. I think they might. This doesn't build up. Now, I have been using it with this, y'all, and I don't know if that's bad. That's why I made that face, but I have been using it with Taliah, Waajid. I don't know how to pronounce this, but I'll put this in the description box too. And sometimes I do feel like in some spots in my hair, I get a little bit of buildup, but it's okay. Like, I haven't had any problems with breakage or anything like that. Last thing I'm using is olive oil's edge control. I don't recommend using edge control every single day. Sometimes I use this as edge control. It doesn't hold, but it will lay your edges down at least for a little while. So I'll like put a little bit of water, maybe some of this Curls-Crème Brule, and I'll just put my scarf on, lay it down with the edge brush or whatever this is called. You get this from your beauty supply store, or toothbrush if that's all you have. So let's just get into this video, you guys. So before I style my hair, the first thing that I do is moisturize. And I'm using Taliah Waajid Black Earth Products African Healing Oil. And it says it's to soften, moisturize, and protects hair, moisturizes, coats, and protects skin. So you can use it for your skin too. It eliminates dryness, and it's made with vitamin E. So I use this all over my scalp, as you can see, just going through my parts, adding oil and massaging it in as I go. Also, I really love that the bottle comes with a pointed tip, so it makes it really easy to grease your own scalp. Why is it important for me to moisturize my hair? So as you guys can see, I do have bleached hair. I have a color over top of it. It's not a permanent color. It does wash out over time. However, if you're not familiar with bleach, it does dry your hair out a bit, and it alters your hair texture. So if you have curly hair, you'll notice that it'll kind of change the texture of your hair. Maybe it might alter the curl pattern just a bit, but I like using this Curls-Crème Brule whipped curl cream. It's curl defining and moisturizing cream formulated with certified organic sweet almond milk, shea butter, and aloe leaf juice, and it's proven to fight frizz, restore lost sheen, and encourage hair growth. I've been using this product for quite some time. I honestly can't remember when I first started using it, but as you guys can see, my hair is super long. I've been growing my locks for about 7 years. And yeah, I have really long hair. Sometimes it's frustrating at times, but I love my hair and I love this product. So if you're somebody looking to grow your hair and you're looking for a product to use in between your lock maintenance, definitely pick up the Curls-Crème Brule. So at this point, I'm laying my edges, and I'm using the olive oil edge control hair gel infused with sweet almond oil for strengthening. I love this edge control, guys. Make sure you do, if you're going to pick this one up, make sure it's the olive oil brand. They do have copycat brands, and the product does not work the same. I thought I was getting an olive oil product, and I bought the wrong one. So make sure you get olive oil. And I'll be sure to put the link in the description. I'm using my edge control brush to style my edges. It makes it really easy. If you have a toothbrush, definitely grab that. That works too. And after I do this, I use my scarf to lay everything down and kind of dry up the gel. And it helps to hold my edges. Excuse me, guys. It helps to hold my edges for longer throughout the day. So definitely, I would recommend you keep your hair wrapped till you get to your event, and take it off like maybe 10-15 minutes before you get to your event, so you don't have that line in your forehead. I'm sure a lot of you guys know what I'm talking about, but it really helps to lay your edges for the whole day, or at least half the day. Guys, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to let me know which look was your favorite. Ask me any questions you have pertaining to locks, lock maintenance, lock growth, anything you want to know about locks, you can ask me. And make sure you check back with me next Friday, because I'll be back every Friday. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. I didn't realize how important that was, but turn those things on. That way, when I post a video, you'll automatically know, and you won't have to be searching and looking like, where'd she go? Like, you'll already know. So I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Bye, guys.
Tell me what you want.